Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik and in this video I am going to show you my KDP income for the month of August 2020. So let's get started. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's get to the business. And you can see here it's August 6 to September 5. Let's sort it by month of August 1st and then August 31 and then hit apply. So you can see here month started with 4 units, then the very next day 31 units and 11 units, 12 units, another 12, 8, 11, 10, 14 units, and on August 10, 8 units, 7 units, next day 14 units again. Then here comes the slow time. This month was slow as compared to the month of July. So 6 units again, 7, then 5, then 5 again, 2 units only, then 9 and 6 and 4 and on 22, 5 again and 5 again and again 3, and there are 8 units of distribution paid units shipped paperback. Expanded distribution was 8 units, 7 units again, 5 units, 4 units, and then came the good day again on August 29 and I sold 15 copies of 15 paperbacks, then again 6, and there was another good day, the very last day of the month, that was August 31st, and it sold 11 units. So let's know the total. Wait guys, before moving forward, I have came across a code that offers you 40% off on Skillshare Premium. If you are planning to purchase a Skillshare Premium, then you don't need to pay $99 for a whole year. You only need to pay around $55, and I have got this code for you. 40% coupon code is, you can see here the discount. Enter gift code, gift card or discount. Just write here Facebook 4020 and then hit apply. And you can see here that was $99, now it has become $54.45 only. You can get this of above 40% discount using this code, and the just go to the link in the description and input this code and you will be good to go. So this is current month, 33 units till date. Let's sort it by custom, then go to August 1st and to August 31st and apply. 271 units from August 1 to August 31st. So in this way you can see here from the graph the earnings started going down from 13 August or from the mid of the month, and this happens because this is very unpredictable business. You can earn thousands of dollars one month and the next month go very down or very slow. This happens all the time, so nothing to worry about. So let's see our earnings. This is for the current month. Now let's check it out for the month of August, and $474.17. This is exactly the same, almost exactly the same as of June. During the month of July, I have earned $690. So as compared to July, this month's earning is $125 or $26 less as compared to last month. But anyhow, that is very good earning, because in the very beginning of this year I was earning $200 and $240 and $300. So on average that is on the higher side. So I am quite happy with that. I am quite grateful for that. So overall I have earned $474. Let's see our expenses for the advertising. Here I am on the Amazon.com. On US marketplace I have spent $49.65, and that converted into $177 sales, 0.74 cents, with an A cost of 27.93. that is on the break even, which means I have earned this almost the same amount as I have spent. I have spent 50 and I have earned 50, but that is also beneficial for books. If you are getting sales via ads, you also get sales via organic traffic. That is the sales score, or you can say the metrics. If Amazon sees if a book is selling, then it promotes it. So there is benefit of running ads if you have budget. So let's check it out. Our UK expenses, only £1, nearly £1. So this do expense on the both marketplaces accounts for $51 total. So let's check it out. Our earnings, 474.17 minus 51, almost 51, that is $423. So as a whole, as a net profit, I have earned $423, and I am very grateful for that, and I am looking forward to have more earnings during the current month and during the next quarter as well. So that is all from me today in this video, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe and also hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any new video from me.